Once upon a time, in a green jungle, there lived a huge elephant. He was very proud of his size and strength, and he often troubled the smaller animals.
Oh no! The elephant broke our home again!
Somebody please stop him.
I am the biggest and the strongest in this jungle. No one can stop me.
One day, the elephant saw a small anthill where hundreds of ants were working.
Look at you, tiny creatures. I can crush you all with just one step.
Mr. Elephant, don't be so proud. We may be small, but when we work together, we are strong. You ants strong? That's impossible!
Under a big tree, the ants decided to teach him a lesson.
Ouch! Ouch! What's happening? Oh, no! Now, do you see, Mr. Elephant? Even the smallest creatures can be powerful when united. Please forgive me. I will never trouble you or any other small animal again. We forgive you. But remember, always respect everyone, whether big or small. From that day, the elephant became kind and helpful. He never teased the small animals again, and the jungle lived in peace and happiness.
Never be proud of your strength. Even the smallest can be powerful when united.